Okay, follow along as I do our dictation for today. We're going to continue working on magic E words. Okay, this week we're looking at words that have U magic E and E magic E. Okay, our first word today is cube. Now, this is a tricky word because we hear a Q, but Q is not a sound. So we hear K, U, B, like this. K, U, B, cube. The U says U, so that means we need a magic E for the word cube. Number 2 is the word June. J, U, N, June. J, U, N, June. This is like somebody's name or a month of the year, June. Number 3 is mute. M-U-T, mute. M-U-T, mute. Mute. The long U again. And the last word is Pete, like Pete the cat. P-eat, Pete. P-eat, Pete. We have a long E, so we need a magic E at the end. Otherwise, it would be the word pet, but the magic E makes it say Pete. Okay, let's read through the words we wrote. Ready? Cube, June, mute, Pete.